Hi, it's Sarah Stovetop, your Pampered Chef here, showing you how to use your new Smooth Edge can opener. So this is an awesome tool. You see this little round thing here? That part goes right up against the side of your can. So when you look at it from the top, your can opener is on the top of your can. And the little round thing hugs it. And then you turn the top handle. I'm going to turn down the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, here it is. So it goes right in here. Remember I showed you. And then you just turn the top and it hugs, it grabs the top. So you can actually lift it up like this and keep twisting it in the same direction. If you're a lefty, you can do it with your left hand. It goes the other way. And then when you feel the pressure release a little bit or hear that click that I just heard, then you just turn it the other way and it disengages and it comes right off. Now, the real key is these two little, I call them a bird beak. And what happens with those, this little lever right here, you press it and it makes these open and close. So you want to put these, the little bird beak, on the edge of your can. I think you can see, right in there. And then press down on the lever so it grabs it, and then just pull up. Pretty easy.